Top 10 anime where MC is transported to another world with a hidden power. Yes, this is a isekai list. For so long, we were so focused on romance anime that we got so many complaints. So we thought, let's do something different. So here we are with a top 10 isekai list for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe now and hit the bell icon. And if you find this video useful, give a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's start the list. For starting off the list, we have Those Who Hunt Elves. This anime has 12 episodes and depth, and for genres we have adventure, comedy, ecchi, fantasy, magic, shounen. An actor, a martial artist, a gun crazy high school student, and their tank are transported from Earth to a world of elves and magic. However, the spell to return them home was botched, resulting in fragments of the spells being magically imprinted on their skin. Their only solution was to run around looking for elves and tripping them wherever they find them. Number 9. The Devil is a Part-Timer. This anime has 13 episodes and dub, and for genres we have comedy, demons, fantasy, romance, shounen. In another dimension, the Devil King Sadao is only one step away from conquering the world when he is beaten by Hero Emilia and forced to drift to the other world, the modern day Tokyo. As conquering the world are the only skills the Devil King possesses, and are obviously unnecessary in his new situation. And now he must work as a part-timer to pay for his living expenses. Number 8. Arifureta, From Commonplace Towards Strongest. This anime has 13 episodes and dub, and for genres we have action, adventure, fantasy, harem. Hajime Nagumo and his entire high school class are transported to another world to be heroes in a war against other races. And all but Hajime are instantly gifted with special abilities and ridiculous strength. Hajime, on other hand, is totally average, and as such as the bullying he endured on Earth simply continues. Hajime has to struggle to survive in the depth of a deadly dungeon and learn to become a superhero without the gift of superpowers. Number 7. Endide. This anime has 24 episodes and dub, and for genres we have adventure fantasy. Worlds collide when Shun Asanaga is transported to Endra, a kingdom beneath the earth. To get home, he will have to help Prince Emilio to regain his rightful throne by defeating King Delzine. Can the two restore a kingdom and get Shun back home? Number 6. Drifters. This anime has 12 episodes and dub, and for genres we have action, adventure, comedy, fantasy, historical, samurai, and seinen. Shimazu Toyohisa, whilst involved at the Battle of Sekigahara, manages to mortally wound Lee Naomusa, but is critically wounded in the process. As he walks from the field broken and bleeding, Toyohisa finds himself transported to a corridor of doors, where A man at a desk waits for him. This man, Murasaki, sends Toyohisa into the nearest door where he wakes up in another world. There, Toyohisa meets other great warriors like him, who have been transported as well, to be part of a group known as Drifties. Number 5. Grimgar, Ashes and Illusions. This anime has 12 episodes and depth, and for genres we have action, adventure, drama, fantasy. When Haruhito awakens, he is in the dark. He doesn't know where he is, why is he here, and where he came from. Around him there are several men and women who have the same circumstances. Haruhito and his companions find themselves in a game-like world called Grimgar and must form a party, cooperate and learn new skills to survive the harsh environment together. In the fourth place, we have Isekai Cheat Magician. This anime contains 12 episodes and depth, and for genres we have action, adventure, fantasy. Nishimura Daichi is a typical average high schooler, and Azuma Rin is a beautiful woman with the build of a model and with excellent reflexes. The two live a normal high school life until one day they are suddenly enveloped in a mysterious magic circle and transported to an unknown land. The world is full of terrifying monsters like beastmen, dwarfs, elves, and many other races, right out of a fantasy. In order to survive in this new world, Taichi and Rin decided to become adventurers. But when they take the aptitude test, they discover they both possess cheat level magic. Number 3. The Ambition of Oda Nobunaga. This anime has 12 episodes and depth, and for genres we have comedy, historical, romance. Ordinary high schooler Yoshiharu is sent back in time to the Warring States period. However, not the same timeline that he remembers. There he meets Nobunaga Oda, not Nobunaga. In this world, all the famous figureheads and warlords of the era are female. There, Yoshiharu teams up with Nobunaga to help fuel her ambition and quest to rule the world. Number 2. How Not to Summon a Demon Lord. This anime has 12 episodes and depth, and for genres we have comedy, fantasy, magic. Sakamoto Takuma was so strong in the MMORPG Cross Reverie that his fellow players came to call him the Demon Lord. One day, he gets summoned to another world in his avatar form and meets two girls who both insist that they are the one who summoned him. And they cast a spell used to enslave summoned beast on him. But that activates his unique ability Magic Reflect, and the girls end up being the ones put under the spell, and thus begins the otherworldly adventure of a demon lord who blazes his own trail through overwhelming powers. In the first place, we have The Rising of the Shield Hero. This anime has 25 episodes and dub, and for genres we have action, adventure, drama and fantasy. Iwatani Naofumi a run-of-the-mill otaku, finds a book in the library that summons him to another world. He is tasked with joining the sword, spear, and bow as one of the 4 cardinal heroes, and fighting the waves of catastrophe as the shield hero. Excited by the prospect of a grand adventure, Naofumi sets off with his party. However, merely a few days later, he is betrayed and loses all his money, dignity, and respect. Unable to trust anyone anymore, he employs a slave named Raftalia and takes on the waves and the world. But will he really find a way to overturn this desperate situation?